Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Jade from Victorious. So to do that, I'm just going to remove everything here except for the ones I made adjustments on, which isn't a lot. Select this hair and color it black. Select this hair and color it this black and green. 146950 and no bangs. Position the Y to 0.44, Z 0.55, rotate the X to 0.52 and scale it to 0.46. For the outfit, it's pretty simple. I just use this oversized sweater in black. And I use the mesh top in black as well. I didn't do the thick toggle though on it. And then for the boots, I used these in black and I just left it like kind of grayish black. Grab the stockings and I just colored it a little bit darker in 38271F. And then for this skirt, I'm just going to grab this one in this color. Sorry, it's 2B221C and then the rest in black. And there you have it. You can like bring a bag if you'd like to. She uses these kind of bags. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.